Men and women both need testosterone. There's a number of benefits that you get from having that testosterone. It helps you sleep better. It helps you have a better, happier sex life. It helps you to be able to sleep better at night. It helps you to be able to build more muscle. It helps you to be able to burn more fat. It helps you to be less stressed. So if you can increase your testosterone just by getting into a sauna or a hot tub for even that includes your bath for 15 to 20 minutes every night, you're going to be able to sleep better and look better, feel better. It also makes you younger. It helps your skin. What else can it do? It can help you with the skeletal health benefits, cardiovascular health, boosting your immune system, similar to an ice bath. That boosts your immune system as well. It'll help you detox. It'll help you take poisons out of your blood system. One caution, as you sweat, you actually also lose electrolytes. And electrolytes are beneficial, like magnesium, potassium, sodium, and so on. Magnesium, potassium, sodium are really good for you. And as you're detoxing and the toxins come out of your body, you will also lose some of your electrolytes. So I hope that I can talk you into, if you're going to spend 20 minutes a night with a sauna or a hot tub or a hot bath, and you're going to be sweating and detoxing, please also replenish yourself, not just with water, but with electrolytes in water. You could get a little bit from Gatorade, or I've got a powder that's electrolyte powder, or you could get different pills where you have like a magnesium pill, a potassium pill, a sodium pill, for example. And as you take in these electrolytes, it can benefit you so that you don't get headaches or feel bad or feel hungover the next day. So just a side note, yes, you will detox. You'll also pull out some electrolytes. So you want to replace the electrolytes. It'll help you fight depression in a major way, just like exercise can stimulate those endorphins to help you to be less depressed. So can heat exposure and cold exposure. The heat exposure can help you to fight depression. It can help you with physical and mental resilience. Because after a while, after 10 or 15 or 20 minutes, you will feel like this is too hot. But as you stay in there for that 15 or 20 minutes and you stay resilient, it is a physical, it benefits you physically and mentally to be able to withstand things like the heat. If you can't take the heat, right? What else can it do? It can actually majorly improve athletic performance, because it does boost testosterone, because it does hugely improve by 3,000% your growth hormone. You're going to be stronger the next day. You're going to be able to increase your athletic performance because you'll have better blood flow. You actually build more blood vessels, and you also clear out the blood vessels from the gross gunk that was inside of your blood that came from poor diet or stress. So that'll help you majorly with athletic performance. You can run faster, jump higher, run longer distance, a number of things. It's pretty incredible. It'll definitely lower your stress, and it can improve your sleep, especially if you do it soon before you go to bed.